get together here and now. Here we are, MMTs live in action. This is the first time today on MCP. Now, we did have our MMTs get long down here. Bill, you got in at what price? 35 cents?
35 pennies.
All right.
200. I went 100
shares.
more than my original entry that I got stopped out on.
Okay.
Because I wanted to make up the difference a little bit.
Well, what it required was a higher volume entry because we finally got made down here at that teeny line. You had the up bar. So tell us what you went through when you did the transaction.
Well, I got stopped out once, and I came down to a lower teeny line, and I figured now's the time to get in. This is definitely the bottom. I took 200 shares as opposed to the light entry of 100.
Okay.
It was at actually about 5% when I put in my order. It dropped down to 3%.
Okay, so you're hit at the very low. That's that 35 penny.
Yes.
So let me ask you this, Bill. We know that it's its first bounce of the day that's had any meaning to it. And
Yes.
we know that if this doesn't keep continuing to go to 20 and this doesn't shrink down below 1.00 and lower, then we're not going to go. See how we just went down there and see how we're going to keep going? So we're going to see how far we can keep going before we finally have to come out when it would fail. Right now, it's the first intraday bounce, as we can all see here. They made markets before and they failed, and they made markets before. Now this is a little bit longer, deeper one. The key is, Bill, as you know, we got to stay elevated. And what you would do, it's 13 cents a teeny. You would keep a half teeny stop to protect your order.
Yes.
Because you've got that breakout so far, and you're not moving here much, and you're not going down. You got to this got to keep contracting, and so that's where you put your stop market order in the execution right now. You damn right. Get stingy with it, because if it pulls back and wants to go again, you can always make another entry. It's just that we're not going the right way yet. But if it does go the right way, then it'll keep breaking higher and you won't get stopped. So that's just really maximizing those profits.
Yeah, good idea.
That's right.
I stopped out half a teeny.
So tell me, you were stopped out half teeny, so you got in at the bottom and you got out there. That's what market makers do. Look to see if you come back to the half bar and hold it. See if anything. That was falling weak. This wasn't going your way, and you got pennied out with a profit.